Hi, today we're making bread from Germany, thanks to our friend Max, and it's called Sonnenblumenbrot, which is sunflower bread. Huh? So we need, don't make, this is 1 kilo, but we only use like half of it. So 500 grams in here. Then 1 spoon of dry yeast, which we dilute with water a little bit. And then here we have Brotgewürz, which is a spice for bread. They use that in Germany also. And then we mix it with water, 375 milliliter water for 500 grams. And Sofia and Jekay is gonna make the dough. Sofia, explain what you're doing.
500 gram cannot fit here, so we're gonna have it. Okay. This is 300 grams.
300 grams, okay.
200 more.
Mm-hmm.
This is 200.
So it's a total of 500 grams, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, good. And then we're gonna put the yeast, put a little water in there, 1
I will
spoon
use
of...
that one.
No,
water?
you use water from the faucet. Just a little water, Very little, okay?
More?
Very good. Yeah, that's good.
How many?
Yeah, 1 spoon. Very good. And then you also can put the herb, the bread herb, into the flour. Also 1 spoon, 1 spoon of the bread herb. There you go. Sophie, what are you doing now there?
This is the diluted yeast.
What is that?
Diluted yeast with water.
Diluted yeast, the yeast.
Yeah, the yeast
Okay,
of
okay.
dough.
So now you're gonna pour the yeast. Wait, I would wait. Wait. With the yeast, I would first add the 375 water. Chica, you put the water in there?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Very good. Huh? Just put it all in. And then also I would then put the yeast in there after that. Very good. Uh-huh. And then we start kneading, I guess, huh?
Yeah, mix first.
You mix it?
Because it's still wet.
Flour, you want me to get the flour? Or Chica can get the flour. What's flour? Farina?
Harina.
Sarina?
Harina.
Harina. In Italy, it's called farina. Oh my God, look. It's getting really gooey, huh? It's...
Sakamot, sakamot.
Whoa, very good, Sofia. You're gonna, after a while, you're gonna put it on the table too for kneading?
Yeah.
It's a gooey job.
on the table.
Yeah, like a real baker here. There you go. More flour on the table. Jekay knows how to look at that. She's doing a good job. Very good, Jekay. And then you put it in a plastic container or not? Is it finished yet? Not yet?
It's still sticky.
It's still sticky. Oh, okay. That looks good. I would put it in a plastic container now. Uh-huh. Good. Okay, good. Now put the lid on it, or wash your hands first, and then you put the lid on it. And then we put this overnight in the refrigerator, and tomorrow we bake the bread. In the meantime, thank you, girls. Thank you. Wow. Good morning.
Good morning.
We took this out of the refrigerator, the dough. It was overnight. And now the girls are kneading it. And after that, we put it in the form. Okay, go ahead. It's very, very gooey. Very gooey. I guess you need more flour, huh? Wow. So you girls go ahead and you knead it nicely, really good, thoroughly. Okay, go ahead now. I guess you need more flour, yeah. It's so sticky. Sofia, do you have a form here that looks really interesting? Ah, that's a spring form from Germany.
Yes.
And then what are you gonna do? You put baking paper, parchment paper on there. Okay, you. Ah, this is interesting. It can hang over, no worries. Okay, it can hang over on the side. Very good. So wait, and then you press it into the form so it doesn't move anymore. Okay, very good. Jekay is gonna put the dough in there. Okay, and then you spread it out. No, not too much. Just spread it out a little bit to the corners. Yeah. Sofia, here's a towel. Here's a towel. We'll make a towel real wet. You make the towel real wet. That's good now, Jekay. That's good. You place it over there, and between 30 minutes and an hour. It depends the temperature, the room temperature. It has to rise. All right. So if you're in a cold area and it's the weather is not too warm, then I recommend you preheat the oven and then turn it off and put it in the oven, because it's nice and warm in there and it will rise there for sure. So I'll see you back in about 30 minutes. Ah, did it rise a little bit? Yes, it did. Very interesting. But it should rise a little bit more. And then please put a little water in there. Then we put the water on top of the bread, under the dough. Lots of water. Here you go. Make it nice and moist. Okay, then we preheated oven. We put the water in because it needs a lot of moisture. Yeah, put it on the left side or on the side. Just put it on the side. Move it to the side.
It's hot.
No. Okay. And then we put the dough in there. Okay. Here we don't have a temperature gauge, but it's not full. It's not on full. The heat is not on full. It's on 3/4. So 45 minutes. Then we'll see what it looks like. Okay. Wow, looking good. Sunflower bread. Sonnenblumenbrot. Sunflower seeds. Very nice. Thank you, girls. Very good.